Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where the AIRSCARF fuses and relays, convertible fuses and relays are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us, we'll talk about that, guys. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. By the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the AIRSCARF system, guys, where we can expect to find these fuses and relays. Now, if you want to see where the convertible top fuses relays are located, we have the video on the channel. But before we start, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be 6 different hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And what you guys need to do now, we need to open the trunk. When you do that, leave the carpet liner up, and underneath in that corner right here you're going to have another carpet liner flap, little flap that you open, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. For the AIRSCARF system, we need to check up to 3 fuses, guys, where they're located. Specifically, we don't have that system, but if you have it, you will need to first check fuse number 418. You see that first fuse, guys, in that row? That will be the one that you need to check, 418. Then you will need to check fuse number 440. So that's 438, 39, 440. You will have a fuse here, and fuse 441. You will need to check right here these 2 fuses, guys. So, and the one 418, those are the 3 main fuses for the AIRSCARF technology that you will guys need to check on your Mercedes generation W205 C-Class. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.